So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your camera zve1 firmware or license file to get 120 fps 4K video option in your camera. It's very simple. Just follow this video. So at first you need to visit your browser and search for Sony support page according to your country. Now here you can select your camera model or you can just simply type your camera model name. This is shortcut. Click on firmware and software option, and now in the next page you will get all the software tools and even the firmware updates, which is I'm going to show you in the next part of this video. But now here is the option for 4K 120 upgrade license for zve1. Click on it. In few seconds new page will be open, which is download page, and here select second option, download without sign in. In next page you have to put your camera serial number, which is here bottom of your camera. Put it in here. It's very simple, as you can see every single step mentioned in the website page. Now click on download the license file and click OK. Now it will take few seconds and your file will be start downloading. Here more steps which is I'm going to show you in this video, or you can read also. Next step, you have to remove your camera memory card SD card and connect it with your computer using card reader or your inbuilt laptop card reader slot. You don't need to format your card, just simply copy the file which is here, license file, and simply paste in your card. Here is file. Now eject your card from computer and take out your card from your card reader, insert again in your camera. Next, just simply turn on your camera and your license file will be pop up. Load the license file in the media. Click on OK and suddenly license file installation successful. Now you need to click on OK, it will reboot your camera. And yes, make sure your camera set on NTSC mode from the setting. And now here in frame rate, you can see 120 fps option in 4K is available. So that's it in the part 1 of this video. In second part, I'm going to show you how to update any Sony camera firmware easily. If this video helped you, click on like button, subscribe my channel for upcoming video. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.